So we are starting a brand new learning target. It is learning target 5. And now we're going to use what we did in learning target 4, which is factoring, and use that to graph. It's going to be mainly about graphing and writing equation of the graph. So you see the beautiful dance moves? That's actually how the graph is going to look like. Our polygraphs are very curvy, strange, and it is like all over the place. So we start with the first part, solution. This is part 1, and I'm going to make 5 videos for learning target 5. So solution, what is a solution? Right? We know this. It's a value, or it could be more than one. It's the values that make the equation true, right? Make the equation true. But in polynomial, I gotta move my face. So in polynomial, we're actually going to look for, this is what we're solving. In polynomial, what we're doing is solving means, I'm gonna write this. We are looking for the roots. In polynomial, we're looking for the roots. So what is a root? See, it's like a question that keeps on coming. So what is a root? A root is where, the function is equal to 0. Oh my. So I know I said solution is a value that makes the equation true, but I said in polynomial, we're actually looking for the roots. So then I said, well, what is a root? It is where the function is equal to 0, right? Okay, I can summarize all this in one word. Ready for this? X-intercept. Dun, dun, dun. Well, it's probably more than one, but bottom line, we're just looking for the x-intercepts. That's it. You just have to remember x-intercepts. So take a look at these 3 examples. Given the graph, y equals 2x plus 4, estimate the solution. We're looking for the x-intercept. How many do you see it? I see one. Do you see one? Where is it? Right there. This is the x-axis. X-intercept, just that one. What number is that? -2? Yeah, done. And we're really estimating. So given the graph, it takes, I don't know, maybe 10 seconds. So given the graph, we got the graph. Where are the x-intercepts? I see one right there at -3. I see one right here between -1 and -2. So we're estimating, so maybe -1.5. I see one right there. So that's still at the negative. So maybe negative point, I don't know, like 3-ish. And then I see one right there. So 0.8. So these are all x-intercepts. That is it. I get the feeling this is gonna be the shortest video ever. Alright, C. What is the x-intercept here? How many do you see? Do you see 2? I see 2. I see one right there at about -0.5. And I see one right there between 1 and 2, closer to 2, so maybe 1.6. I mean, we're just estimating anyway. So that's it. We just found the x-intercepts, and that they are the solutions in a polynomial graphs. All right? Okay, please do homework. This has got to be the easiest homework ever. Thanks, bye.